Now, you need to note that the exterior wall will extend beyond or above the roof level. So not just at the top of steel. So you need to actually modify this, and we'll do that in future lectures. Now, some of the layers built in the assembly are finishing material like gypsum from the interior. So that is why you need to extend only the parts that will go up beyond the roof or beyond the ceiling sometimes, right? So you do want to take note of that. Now, if we look at the picture here for this exercise, we see that at the ground level, this part of the assembly of walls only go up to the second floor level. So we can definitely bring that down. And then lastly, we're going to add this wall right here, which is a W2 wall. So we're going to do that now. Let's go back to our Revit. And for these walls, hold down the control key, this, and that. All of this starts at the ground floor, but the top constraint should only go up to the second floor. We'll say top of concrete, and then once we find out or build the floor, we'll just attach it to the floors or underneath or underside of the floor. So we'll just say up to the second floor. If we look at the 3D view, okay, notice that we were able to lower those walls, and then we'll adjust accordingly. Next thing we'll do is we're going to add the wall at the second level to close this off. Let's go back to let's go to the second floor. And looking at the exercise, we'll see that, or I think in the drawing, right? For the second floor, we'll see that it's using a W2 wall. And then later on, we will be inserting the curtain walls. So W2, we're going to add those walls right here. So again, while we're in the second floor, we're going to say WA to start the wall command. This time we're going to select the W2 assembly, wall assembly, and we're going to start at the second floor and end at the top of steel office, since this is the office area. Likewise, we're going to add our offset of 1,000 so that the walls will align. And here, I'm also going to start somewhere here, going clockwise. So I need to start here, okay? And then click here and click here. Click on the modify key or escape to end. Now, two things we can do. We can simply extend this. Okay. So those two walls would meet. Okay, and we'll just end it right there. Let's do the same thing here. Select and join the two walls. Now, when we were designing the walls, the layers that we use for the two walls are the same. Remember, for the W3, we simply selected or use our W2 as the base. The only difference is that the bottom part of this wall has a different material, a CMU. So that's why we didn't use the W3 here. Otherwise, we'll have a CMU right here. Okay. So that's how you place the wall at the second level. Next, we're going to do the curtain walls.